local industries. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, MP for Assin Central, has committed to personally spearheading efforts to transform Kantamanto, one of Accra's busiest commercial hubs. Speaking during a meet and greet event with NPP Vice Presidential Candidate, Dr. Matthew Wopoku Prempe, he pledged to bring in machinery to demolish old structures and rebuild the area into a modern space, allowing young Ghanaians to engage in shoe production and other manufacturing ventures.
MPP, Dr. Bawumia, opportunity. Amia made the machines. Maba be book Kantamanto baby. Joboy, near the machines. Near Casa, I was saying GTA, near believe in Ghana made.
The initiative, he explained, is driven by the need to provide better opportunities for Ghanaians in a market that has seen increasing competition from foreign businesses, particularly from China, and assure the public that its aim is to support local citizens. He therefore called on his fellow political leaders, including Napo, to stand firm against political criticism.
Chinese and competition. Now who Ghana competition? Who bet me a Ghana competition? Samotuma Dr. Baumia, Mia Casamedianim. Adia China for also we say. Omunye wholesale. Name commercial and retail here. They are not going to allow them to do it. So boy, Mama Casa Mayan Sumayo. Dr. Matthew Poku Brempe. Also to me Yakukudro. If he said, Mekoya, then newspaper for media for Abet Twisted at Gimpana and Miwano. Now MPP for the CCR we am Shishu Homo. One a catcher of Dr. Agyapong, Cocoya, one a catcher, Macatcher, semi Bejra, or the promising Homo.